anybody that wants a career as an event planner or working in live entertainment or working in any business related to the entertainment industry is going to need to love Excel, or in this case, I like to use Google Sheets because it's free and it is available to all students. So you're going to have sheets that you're going to have documents that have multiple sheets. In this case, I've got a document for tour schedule, I've got one for budget, I've got one for contacts, I've got one for stop 1 and stop 2. In this case, the activity we're asking you to do is to organize a tour and plan a tour. You'll need to do the research to figure out, you'll find sources of different festivals, the names of festivals. You're going to have to find the festival location, the festival dates, and notes. So when you go to the source, you're going to find, let's just say we find a whole bunch of, I'm just going to open these up, and I'm going to organize, and I'm just going to keep reading different places. I'm going to learn that the Illisonk Music Festivals in Toronto in June, the dates to be determined. I'm going to keep doing my research in such a way that I collect all of my dates together and all of my festivals all in one place. So then this doesn't really mean much to you. So you need to start to go through and then sort. So I'm going to do a sort first here. I'm going to go Toronto. I'm going to call that a central. I'm going to call this, I'm going to call this central. I'm going to call this west. I'm going to call this central. I'm going to call this central. I'm going to call this west. I'm going to call this west. I'm going to call this west. Vancouver's in the west. Calgary's in the west. Toronto's in the central. Then I'm going to go central for Ottawa. I'm going to go central for Montreal and central for Montreal. So essentially what I've done is I've got an entire list of all of the broken down in west versus central, because if you're going to do a Canadian tour, we are the second largest country in the world. So you're going to need to not be able to do the whole country at one time. So I'm going to do a sort function here. I'm going to basically swipe my data, and I'm going to go to data. I'm going to go to sort range, and I'm going to put my data as a header row. Once I've got my header row, I am going to then go to my sort. I'm going to say sort by sort A to Z. Maybe after that, I want to add another section, and I want to maybe go festival name. I want to go festival dates, and I'm going to go sort. Okay, so what I've got here now is a list of central dates and west clustered together. But now I want to try to get a little bit more granular in that I'm going to then go, okay, 2020 TBD, that doesn't mean much to me. So I'm going to add another word under this central, and I'm going to go, maybe I'm going to break the summer into maybe, what could I do? I could go central 1. Actually, this starts with June. So I'm going to go central 1 being starting in June. I'm going to go central, this is the second date in June. This is central, the third date. This is central 4. This is working out. This is all going to work out. 4, July 9th, July 10th to 13th. This would be central 4. This would be central 5. Central 6, and I don't know the date. So let's go back and then just resort central if I'm going to do a tour. I'm going to go to data. I'm going to sort my range. I'm going to go, my header has rows. I'm going to sort by central again. I'm going to sort according to the sort. And what do I have here? I now have from June, I don't know when the Vlad Festival is. It's in Montreal, I don't know. So I can't maybe, start to plan for that one. Same with the June TBA date, I sort of don't know that. I can't work with that. So the ones I'm going to really then work with and start to think about are the following. I've got July. So I'm going to resort again. I'm going to go Central Z, because I'm not going to, these aren't dates I'm going to be able to plan. I'm going to put Central Z. I'm going to now go, June 1st is my Central 1. Is my very first concert date I'm going to do. June 20th. I'm going to go to August. Then I'm going to go to July. Is my Central 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's go back and then resort that. Data, sort range. I'm going to sort by festival, by sort. and I'm going to go from there. Okay, what do I have now? I've got the Sled Fest in Ottawa in June. I have July, August. And I have these 2 other dates I don't know about. So essentially what I potentially have here, and I need to do some more work in digging, but let's look at this. I have potentially a central tour that starts in Ottawa and then moves to Montreal. Now, I need to, the big task is making sure you've got the right fit for the right festivals in the right places, and you don't have conflicts. So in this case, we don't necessarily have any conflicts. And then I would potentially then start to do the similar thing for the West. So that's about it. I hope this short video helps.